The gold market is making waves. In fact, it's one of the most talked about topics in the financial world right now. But if you're a retiree or someone nearing retirement, what does that mean for you? How can you protect your hard-earned nest egg amidst all this uncertainty? Well, there's one way: gold IRAs. Let's break it down. With inflation creeping up and the stock market continuing its unpredictable swings, it's easy to feel like your savings are being eroded. The Federal Reserve's interest rate hikes, the ongoing banking crises, and global instability, these things make it clear the financial system is fragile. If you've worked hard to build your IRA, you probably don't want to just watch it lose value, right? Let me tell you about Linda from Florida. She was in her mid-60s, sitting on about $560,000 in her 401k. She watched the markets roller coaster over the past couple of years, unsure where things were headed. Then she saw the headlines: banks failing, inflation at an all-time high, and President Trump even commented on how vulnerable America's financial system has become. That got her thinking, and she decided to take action. So Linda did something simple but powerful. She opened a gold IRA. She didn't dump her whole retirement fund into it. No, she just moved a portion. About $250,000 of her savings into gold-backed assets, and let me tell you, her confidence skyrocketed. The markets were still volatile, but Linda didn't have to worry as much. Her gold assets were rising while others were sinking. And it didn't stop there. The value of her gold IRA continued to grow. And now, she's feeling more secure about her future than ever. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Gold sounds good, but is it really a good hedge for my retirement? The short answer is yes. Gold has been a reliable store of value for centuries, especially in times of economic turbulence. And when you move part of your retirement into a gold IRA, you're not just buying physical gold. You're protecting your wealth from inflation and market volatility. So, why is now the best time to act? Because as much as we want to hope for the best, the reality is that financial markets are unpredictable and things could get worse before they get better. A gold IRA offers you a solid backup plan, a way to weather the storm and make sure you're still on track to protect your retirement. Here's the deal. If you've got at least $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, you qualify for a free gold IRA guide and no obligation educational call. This isn't a sales pitch. It's simply a quick one-on-one call to see if a gold IRA is the right move for you. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, just solid, unbiased education. We'll explain how it works, why it works, and whether it makes sense for you. You've worked hard for your savings, and now it's time to make sure they work hard for you. Let's make sure your retirement is as secure as possible, not just for you, but for the generations that will follow. Secure your legacy today. Click the link below for your free guide and call. You've earned it.